All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have another apartment tour today. This is going to be definitely on the budget friendly side. As you can see, as you can hear, yeah. This, I believe, is right off of North Tryon, I believe. Anyway, so I think that we're going to be touring a 3-bedroom today. And it's only somewhere around like $1,600. So this is definitely budget friendly for a lot of those people that are interested in something like this. I just got to make sure we go in the right spot. But yeah, let's just go in and then we'll talk about it afterward, I guess. As soon as I figure out what this leasing office is. I think that's it right there. Okay, cool. Right over here by Shady Grove. All right, Shady Grove, we see you. Before y'all click off, because I know there's a lot of people like, just hear me out. Give it a chance, all right? No cash on premises. Interesting, all right? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, peeps. Let go. There we go. Hello. Hi, I just called.
I was so tired. Our hours were super long.
Yeah.
And I decided to go with something else.
Okay.
I went to work with a doctor.
Okay.
And then I worked there 6 years. And guess what?
What?
I got sick of it. I was so tired of doing insurance. Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am.
So I came here. I came back.
Okay.
Like, you know what? Let me just give it a try.
Yeah, leasing just seems like a cool freaking job, though.
I've been here for 3 years.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't mind getting into it. I think that it seems like a nice job.
That's pretty good. Okay. Go ahead.
Nice. All right, so the bike comes with it too?
No. We gotta remove that.
That's what I'm talking about.
That'd be nice, huh?
Yeah. All right, okay. Nice. Going into. Ooh. Nice area for the kitchen. This little kitchen area.
Yes.
Right. Oh, and we got a bathroom downstairs. Beautiful. Right. There we go. Got the black finishing touches on this thing. Okay. Nice. So do you get like a little discount or something like that? You know what I'm saying? Like a little discount off. Oh, come on. See, that's what I was saying. Like, that would be dope to be like a leasing agent. But I feel like y'all definitely deserve something like that.
Yeah.
Like a little percentage off.
Go ahead, okay?
All
Let me know
right.
if you have any questions.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. Thank you. Love the fact that it has carpet. Nothing like good old carpet. Got to love it. All right, got a door or a little closet as soon as you come up. Love that. All right, so we'll go into the first bedroom. All right. Is this the master? No, this might be the master. All right. Again, you got that carpet, man. Gotta love that carpet. Got some outlets over here, windows right there. Looks like we have 2 closets in here. That's a nice little bonus. Got a closet over here. All right, yeah, we definitely missing a little rod or something right there. And you got something right here. You can go ahead and throw your towels, bedding sheets or whatnot. Nice. This is actually some pretty good space. I just wonder what the rest of the bedrooms look like. That's not bad. All right, turn this light out. All right, and we go into the hallway. We might as well go ahead and go into the bathroom right here. Got that shower tub combo. Love the little black accents, man. Look at it. Okay, don't move. It don't budge. Okay. All right. I guarantee you this place is definitely going to surprise a lot of folks. Nice, 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 nice. The bathroom. Beautiful. All right. And we'll go into bedroom number 2. All right. Nice little spot to make this like a little podcasting office. This will be definitely good for my office space. Do your podcasting or your live videos and stuff up here. It's on the floors. All right, we got a closet right here. Store some coats and stuff like that in there. Okay. All right, again with the carpet. Gotta love the carpet, man. Definitely got to love the carpet. This is the space that we're working with. We got a window over here to our right. Letting in some decent little natural light. Now we'll go into the last bedroom, okay? Got a window over there. Natural light. Apologies, there we go. Definitely feeling the carpet. Say what you want. I love carpet. All right. Check out this closet. All right. What is that? All right. Yes, 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 yes. And this is the renovated unit. Okay, okay. A quick little glimpse of the space one more time. And that is upstairs. Not bad at all. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Let me go back downstairs. All right. And back into the living room space, which I think that, yeah, you get a decent amount of living room space. Definitely loving this living room space. One more refrigerator, back door, and kitchen. Beautiful. Y'all, when I tell y'all, shout out to Miss Hazel. She was so sweet, man. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Anytime that you're, checking out an apartment or whatever, or just going to a business, and I don't know, that interaction was just so friendly, so refreshing. And I know a lot of people probably counted out this apartment because of maybe where it's at or what it looks like on the outside. But when I tell you the customer service here, and I think that, again, for a 3-bedroom, even though, some of those rooms are a little questionable, I still think that this would be a great option for a lot of people. So I'll leave this information and stuff up on the screen so you guys will be able to see that. But I believe that based on what I've seen, I think this would be a great option for some people. Even if you're doing a 2-bedroom and you want to use the other area, again, as some office space. I don't know whether you're doing some content creation or whatever. I wouldn't recommend, it was one of those bedrooms, putting nobody in there unless it's like a small child or something like that. Or one of those cousins that, you don't want. You want to make sure they don't get too comfortable. I understand that, put something like a couch or something in there, not no bed. But yeah, shout out to Miss Hazel, man. She was so sweet, y'all. So sweet, man. And, I know a lot of people in those comments like, that's just the type of people that you're going to be running into, one of those apartment tours that we did. man, I don't care what you say. Majority of people that I've been running into lately have been extremely sweet, really, really good at their job, gives all the information that you need. And again, man, it's just a dope experience. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments below about this? This was a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,075 square foot apartment, and that was going for 1,750. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. But yeah, y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments below? Again, I'll be putting all the rest of this information and stuff up. We got a helicopter over here, but I'll be putting all the rest of this information and stuff up. And y'all let me know, what do you guys think about this? Do y'all want to see more apartment tours like this? Again, this was what I would call like budget friendly, a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath for, well, she said, I could have sworn she said 16, but yeah, 1,750. Let me know down in the comments. All right, guys, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.